pantat, and then buttered chicken, and then
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through.
hello everyone. We are going to Iloilo, and we are in the Ceres bus right now. And there's one.
Hello!
Hello po, ma'am. Balot. Banana chips, balot.
Do you want Glenn? Peter, do you want anything?
I want
Money?
money.
Bye-bye, mama ni.
Mais,
You'll get
mainit,
something.
mais. Mainit pa, mais.
We need your change. I only have one.
I have here.
Mani, sir. Mani, balot, sir. Mani, balot, itlog, limbok, limbok, mani, itlog na nilaga. Limbok, ma'am, mani, itlog na nilaga. Limbok, itlog. Bye-bye.
We're getting stopped over here in the Ceres route.
Bye-bye. 10 pesos lang, sir, pinat.
Okay, one more. Thank you.
So what is going on?
Oh, may photo, may shutter.
We like peanuts, okay? Hi guys, we're stopped over at a rest stop on the Ceres route. So the people come on the bus and just sell us snacks. It's the greatest. And I was just sleeping.
And I have this.
There's food.
Pinipig, mani. Anong ma'am? Pinipig.
May Mountain Dew.
Baba, ma'am. Ilang kabilog, ma'am?
Do you want Mountain Dew?
Bain ka isa man sa plastic po natin.
Darwa.
Dalawa.
Hi guys, we're in the Garin farm, past the gate. As you see here, there's a lot of vines hanging over us. Like this.
Going.
And yeah. And this is kind of what it looks like inside. But there's an entrance over there.
Yeah, we are just in the entrance.
Yeah.
And we will explore more.
Yeah.
Up there.
Hey, get out of the way, Ryan.
So we are taking a ride going to the hotel room. Wow, hotel room. So guys, we are here in the Garin farm now. That's what you can see. We did the entrance filming, and we take the one night stay here in their standard room for 2,500 pesos. And look how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and the new towel is shaped like a swan.
There.
Yeah.
And we have the background there with like a natural forest here.
Wow.
Like that.
Is there any animal in this place?
And then behind us, you can see the ocean.
Wow. Wow.
Hi guys, and then this is our ocean view. You can see it's the distance between us and the shore. Then you can see the ocean out there. And we've still got steps to go up. So our view is going to get even better and better after our walk. We'll show it to you.
So they have also a small TV here. And then the little table here, right there. This is their bathroom here. And the sink. And they have this shower area here. So if you don't want to use the shower, you can use the bucket and then the tabok there. See? So it's really nice here, guys, if you want to have a vacation and just enjoy and relax and explore the farm. So guys, this is the outside of our room. So we're going to take a walk over there.
Over there and up there.
And up there.
Let's start.
Let's go. So they have also the pond here. And right there with the bluish background, they have a small swimming pool. So guys, we are going to start walking in the 240 steps up there to Stairway in Heaven, they said.
480.
For 480 steps. Watch.
So yeah.
Oh! Kapoy. I'm not.
What's here?
Okay guys, we're almost on the top.
And that was telling me, oh,
Okay. Napagod ang lula mo. So, hindi na makapagsalita. Wow! Look at that! Wow! Peter, can you feel it? You're like in the heaven.
You will dance and joy.
So guys, ito na yung tinatawag nilang Stairway to Heaven. Wow! Look at that! So this is the overview, guys.
Wow, it's pretty.
and here's the bathroom.
Ganda, Jo.
Ay, hindi pala. Para second time. Ay, naalala ko may
Childhood memories, bring it back. Childhood memories. Grabe lang. Okay guys, we're eating dinner now after all of the tired walk, and Glenn is scared of the cat down there.
Yes, I don't want him to pounce on my face and scratch my eyeball. That's the bad thing about cats.
Oh yeah?
They would do that.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys our food.
Butter chicken.
You like it?
We have butter chicken that I already bit.
Okay, this is the catfish,
He wants your rice.
the pantat, and then buttered chicken, and then pancit bihon guisado, and of course the rice, and a pitcher of iced tea. We will gonna enjoy our food, guys. Ooh, look at my pantat, guys, my catfish.
You are not allowed.
Mmm. Yummy, yummy. So yummy.
You love it?
I love it. Glenn is bothered with the cats.